guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I'm taking you on a little road tour in Mola di Bari. Over here you've got the port, which is just so pretty. Love it, love it, love it. And then we're on the sort of lungomare here, and there's a bunch of good restaurants and pastry shops and things like this all along this way. It's still kind of the pausa, so I think people are not out and about. But up on this corner, La Rêve, that's a really great place for sandwiches and focaccia. They make awesome focaccia right there. So that's a good place to get sandwichy things and delicious stuff. Here's the fish market right here. And again, it's just a gorgeous day, and you can see the boats and everything out there. Really, really pretty. Bit of a bumpy road here, a little bit. We're coming up along the lungomare, which is this nice long walkway along the sea, and it's just so pretty. It sort of rings around Mola, and just such a beautiful place. Right in over to your left is pretty much where the piazza, and that is a lot of great cafes and restaurants. And then, of course, I don't know if you can see it, it's a little bit dark. The castle is right there. So Mola in wintertime seems to be pretty active, but when it really comes alive is around May, when all the restaurants along the lungomare open. Everybody's in the piazza, all the ice cream shops are open, clothing stores, they're all still open, but it just seems like there's a lot more life and energy starting when the weather gets warm. But anyway, this is Mola di Bari, and it's a lovely place. Come check it out.